Doing the wrong exercises are some of the reasons why some guys still have man boobs even after they lose weight. On page 37 and page 41, Gary goes into all the gory details on when to work out, how long you should work out, how hard you should work out. He lays down the details on everything you need to know to get started. Now here's what's really great. You can get your hands on Gary's entire system on losing man boobs in just 30 seconds. Nothing's shipped to you, and you'll have instant access to everything almost instantly. Now, how cool is that? But there's more. For a limited time, Gary's going to give you some incredible free bonuses, along with his system on how to lose man boobs naturally. The first is the entire How to Lose Man Boobs Naturally audio series. Produced in a professional studio by renowned voiceover expert Ken Maxon, this audio series lets you listen to how to lose your man boobs naturally in your car, on your iPod, while jogging in the park, or on a treadmill. But really, that's nothing compared to Gary's second bonus. If you order through this video, as a favor to me, Gary will throw in his Ultimate Kettlebell Workouts DVD series. Now you're probably thinking, will kettlebells help me lose my man boobs? Hell yes! Russian scientists argue that the kettlebell offers the fastest route to overall physical development, faster than any other form of exercise. With the right kettlebell exercises, not only will you lose your man boobs, you'll also get stronger, leaner, fitter, faster, more muscular, more flexible, more agile. The list goes on. You'll lose your man boobs especially fast if you follow the exercises in DVD 1 of Gary's Ultimate Kettlebell Workouts DVD series. The final exercise in that DVD is a real killer. If any one exercise can blast away man boobs, it's that one. And guess what? You can only do this exercise with a kettlebell. This one exercise works every muscle in your body as well as your heart and lungs and your chest. Gary is currently selling his Kettlebell DVD series for $47, but I want you to have it for free, simply because kettlebell training is so effective when it comes to losing man boobs. Now, Gary's entire package has the retail price tag of $97. But hold on, you're not going to pay $97. You're not even going to pay $57. Hey, you won't even pay half of $97. For a limited time only, and only through this video, you're going to get it all. The entire How to Lose Your Man Boobs Naturally program, the complete How to Lose Your Man Boobs Naturally audio series by Ken Maxon, and Gary's Ultimate Kettlebell Workouts DVD series for only $37. Can you believe it? You get it all for $37. That's cheaper than the price of the kettlebell DVDs alone. And if you're getting that perfectly flat chest in 8 weeks, then that's just 60 cents a day. That's cheaper than a cup of coffee or a chocolate bar. But that's not all. Gary is also throwing in his 8 weeks, no questions asked, hassle-free, ironclad, 100% money-back guarantee. If for whatever reason you are not absolutely delighted with your purchase, or for whatever reason, or no reason at all, you want your money back, you need only say so. And you get all your money back, every single penny. Now, when you get your own copy of Gary's How to Lose Man Boobs Naturally today, you're going to want to dive right in. The best exercise for losing man boobs on